If you're starting a YouTube faceless cash cow channel and looking for a niche which is faceless and is high in demand and low in corporation and making upwards of not 1,000, not 5,000, but upwards of $10,000 to even making $100,000 a month with minimum work, which can be done by a complete beginner without showing your face or recording anything with your camera. Stay tuned to find out what they are. You may have noticed that the topic of the videos are inspired by chats that I have with viewers in the comments area or in polls in the community post. So please leave a comment on the video and vote in the polls to let me know what sort of material you would like to see. Subscribe and turn on your post notification for more updates. So this is a channel making $10,000 to $100,000 per month and has gained over 40 million views in last 30 days, and this channel is currently sitting on more than 3 million subscribers, and this channel was started in mid 2021. So in less than 2 years it is already $1 million YouTube channel, and he uploads a video every day and its videos are getting millions of views per day. This channel is in the movie niche and shows summary of movies with narration, thus adding value to the content, and therefore these videos are monetized. There are few elements that you need to start your own channel like this and start earning money, which are compression channels, script, voiceover, footage and editing. I will show you everything you want from script for a video and footage by step in this video, so stay with me and watch till the end so you don't miss any details which will lead to a failure of your channel. So let's get started. Before I give you the name, like and subscribe if you want more of these detailed guides and new cash cow YouTube channels ideas on daily basis. But before we start, here are the 2 free bonus AI tools which are not sponsored by the way, for YouTube automation that will write your script for your video and edit it with the powerful AI software. So the first one is called copy.ai. It helps you to automatically write scripts for your YouTube videos, from blog post or YouTube description to titles to Instagram caption. You can just write whatever you want with this. You have to just enter your post titles and keyword. This gives copy.ai a bit of context how to best optimize your article, and you can just do it. Watch as copy.ai works like magic to produce full-length articles or YouTube script for you with high quality post in seconds. The second one is called invideo.io. It works same as Pictory but a little bit better or different, you can say. You can turn on your script to video with its pre-built templates like this. Just paste your text here. It will automatically take the most appropriate stock footage for the video, but in this case it's not taking the most appropriate photos for the video and all the stock footage. So you can just click here and change the stock footage to whatever you like. And for voiceover, it also has an AI text to speech that you can use to do the voiceover for your videos. It's a great software to help you with your YouTube automation editing if you're doing a video, and it will save you a lot of time, and it's also free. So you must check out, and let's get started with the video. So the name of the channel is called Mystery Recap, and there are many more channels in this niche which you can model like this, and they are also making good money with their channels. First, we will go on the compression channels in the same niche and see which of their recent videos have gained more views than other videos. But look for the videos uploaded within a month or in weeks, thus you can choose the already winning movie video and make video on it. Now on the topic of script. There are 2 ways to do it. The first is the website called the moviespoilers.com, where you can find the movie's complete plot. The sites have over hundreds of movies from all types of genres, from drama to horror to adventure and many more. You can also find the plots of the movies on the imdb.com under the title plot summary after selecting the movie. The second way is to go on the compression channel page and then click on the video you want to model. Then click on the 3 dots and you will get the subtitles here. Then just click the above 3 dots, then toggle stamps. Then you can just copy and paste these to a rewriting or paraphrasing pods like Quillbot. Use these to make script, or I should say you can use these to model your script and make your script around these. But I strongly suggest you to use the first way, because the second way should be used to get inspired and not just copy and paste other works, because it comes under stealing and it's not ethical. You can download the footage from internet. There are many more videos on YouTube telling you how you can do it, so I will not waste your time, but be safe while doing the download, because some sites might give you virus or malware, so download only from a trusted website. You can see the other channels in the same niche and learn from their videos. Now on the topic of voiceover, you can do it in the 3 ways. First, by yourself, and I'm doing YouTube for a while and it's not hard to speak into the mic after some practice. So if I can do it, you can do it. Second way is the use of Fiverr, and you can just go on Fiverr and look for someone with high numbers of views and low fees. And then there's a third way, to use human sounding text to speech bots like Muff.ai or wellsaidlabs.com. Something that sounds like a human, but it's a 50-50 chance you might not able to monetize your content, because if YouTube detected it, your channel can lose monetization status. But some people also have said that you can use AI voice for 50 to 70% of your video number, and that is should be human voice compulsory. For meaning, if you upload 10 videos in a month, at least 3 to 4 of them should have real human voice as their voiceover, and the rest 6 to 7 can have AI voice. But personally, I have not tried this method, so I recommend you to choose your own to go with your own voiceover or pay someone on Fiverr, because if you want to take the risk, you can do so, or just pay someone else $5 and use your own voice. It's up to you. Now, what I want to give you is that post a video every day, whether it's shorts or a long video, because the algorithm will appreciate the consistency and you will be getting results within 90 days if you will be continue on this.
So just do this before quitting, and it might give you the success and change your life, and give you the ability to quit your 9-to-5 job, because most people will start YouTube cash cow channels but will quit after posting 10 videos in a month. So keep it up, and my blessings are with you, my friend. This is the bonus for watching Alpha Money's videos. Like and subscribe. It will be appreciated.
Now on the topic of software you can use for free to edit your own videos. I personally used VN, and it's a free software that is available for both Android and iOS, and you can use it on your mobile phone, on your laptop, and it's not sponsored at all. So like and subscribe if you like the value I provide in this video. Just a comment of a thank you will be appreciated, and it also provides supports in many ways. So I have give you all the necessary details and components on how you can make your own $10,000 per month YouTube cash cow channel in this simple niche, and you can do so easily. So all the best, take care, and you have watched this far, I totally recommend you to watch these videos right on your screen, and take care and good luck with your cash cow YouTube channel.